As far as the song is concerned, how exactly did it happen? Because there are lots of stories that are doing the round. So, where did you finally decide to it and how did it come about?
The song or the album?
The song and the album.
It just, my life has just always happened to me. I never intended on becoming an actor, I became one. I never intended on becoming a singer, I became one. Universal approached me. Their whole idea was that music has been represented by everybody in the world. American music, pop music, Billboard charts, by Shakira in South America, by J-Lo in Latin America, by David Guetta in Europe. But India, being such a huge market today, has not had that kind of representation. So that was the idea, which is why, and no American or international act has ever been able to break India because Bollywood monopolizes it. So how, I mean, what better than having a Bollywood actor who can sing, you know, to try and do something like this. So they came up with this idea. It seemed interesting to me. I was very cynical about it. 2 mahine tak I didn't take their calls also. But then when I did, I went into the studio. I started singing little. I went behind the mic. I've never professionally sung. I just sang it as a hobby. And I started taking vocal lessons. I did classes. I started slowly writing my own songs as well. I've co-written the entire album. I didn't know I could write songs, but slowly it just happened. So I've learned on the job, and today, after a year and a half, this is the result of all my hard work.
If I can ask 2 lines to sing?
No.
Are you under commitment from the label?
Actually, I am till the song comes out.
I'm on track. Okay, coming back to Barfi. Coming back to Barfi, I believe it's going to Busan. And are you looking at a national award for it?
You know, awards are incredible. I was so honored to be one of the youngest actresses, female actresses, to ever win the national award for a film. And you cannot sit here saying, I'm going to do this film hoping to win a national award. If it happens, it'll be incredible. But really, I just honestly hope that my first goal for this film is that this film is a successful film. And people actually go and watch it. Because a good film deserves to be a success. That is when filmmakers in India, in the film industry, will start making films of consequence. And that is my first aim for Barfi.
Tell us a little bit about the music. It's totally different.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. It really is.
You know, it is one of my best albums. Mine as in one of my film's best albums. I think Pritam has outdone himself in this movie. The soundtrack is exactly what the film is. I didn't hear the songs, any of the songs, till 10 days before. When we were shooting the film, because there's no lip sync songs and we didn't need the music, we just acted. And I heard the entire album just 10 days ago, and it's played non-stop in my car since then. The music has a tendency to calm you down. It has a tendency to suddenly make you feel like it's all good. It does that to me, and that's inspiring.
And can you sing? I'm going to call you into singing. One block to kar diya, dusra block. One little one, come on.
You'll know on 13th.
No, not that this. Barfi.
Barfi? No,
yeah.
I can't sing.
Not at all. Has forgotten that. But anyways, this movie versus the rest in the end, what do you think is the thing that you'll remember it most for?
I'll remember it most for Anurag Basu's foresight of making a commercial, entertaining, fun film with disabled characters. It's unheard of. Usually, people say ki parallel cinema hoga, art cinema hoga, but this is not. It's a film which will make you really laugh, have fun. I did. When I was watching the film, the scenes that I was not a part of, which I saw for the first time when I saw the film, was so funny. So I think what I'll remember is that Anurag Basu he had a story to tell, and he chose me. The first time when he came to narrate the film to me, he said, Priyanka, I'm not sure that you can do this film. I'm not sure you can be Jilmin. I am not sure who can be Jilmin. I know that you're the closest. Nobody else can even attempt it. That's what he told me. And he said, but my only question to you is, aap kaise karenge?
Okay. So then, of course, that's the end of it. Thank you so much, and all the very best for the film.
Thank you.